lunch, I'm gonna make a ground turkey pot pie. Here's my homemade bone broth I'm gonna be adding, and the church is actually gonna be bringing some meals to help us out, so I'm really thankful for that. It's gonna be a blessing. But I had already taken this meat out, so I have to cook it. It was frozen. I had defrosted it, so I'm gonna make it, and then we're gonna eat for dinner what they bring us, which is gonna help me tremendously because I still need to unpack, and that way I don't have to worry about dinner. So I'm excited. But anyway, for lunch, I gotta make this. Okay, here's an update to the meat. It was too much meat, so I took some out. I put mushrooms, a pepper. I'm gonna add broccoli, zucchini, and I added onion to the meat as well. Obviously, all of my seasonings, salt, pepper, it's coming along. The broccoli's in, the zucchini is in. Now I'm going to add some of my bone broth. It's frozen, so I'm gonna cut a piece, probably from like that much. Add it in there. It'll get a little juicy, but not too much. Add some heavy cream. What else do I add? I think that's it. And then that makes it creamy and kind of like juicy. And then I'm gonna add the topping and put it in the oven. Okay, bone broth is melting. This is some warm water. It's just a little bit. I don't know how much, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some flour to thicken it up. I don't measure, so maybe that's enough. I don't know. So, it was really hot. Okay, I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna put it in there so it can thicken up a little bit. My husband has some food sensitivity, so he can't have this. So I just got some food out for him so he can have it. But this will be for me and the kids. Okay, lastly, some heavy cream. I don't know, maybe like half a cup. And I'm gonna let it thicken up, and then I'm gonna put the topping. This is ready. It's creamy. It's delicious. Before you take this out, make sure you taste it. If it's got enough salt, then it's good to go. For the topping, I was gonna do my sourdough starter, but I didn't want to fool with it. So we have this pancake mix thing. Just follow the instructions. Do about a cup. Do about a cup of your favorite pancake mix. Or you can go all healthy with it, whatever. I didn't even follow the instructions. It was maybe about a cup of the mix, and I added just enough water to make it kind of, that consistency. So now I'm going to put it on the top, just pour it over, and then I'm going to put it in the oven.